Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the method to convert a Word file to a PDF. First we're going to enter the link. You find the link in the description of the video. You enter this link, click Word to PDF, wait a little bit until it opens, click edit file, choose your PDF file, this file, click convert to PDF. Wait until it finish. Click download file. Now you have your file in PDF. Now you converted your file to PDF. If this you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial, and thank you.